Here I've got Umidigi One Pro, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then locate and open battery, and here you will notice battery saver, so smoothly click here to activate it, and now it's active, so you've just activated low power solution in your device. Then if you'd like to turn it off, click here again to switch off power saving mode. You can also set some automatic rule, just click on the left edge of the battery saving mode. Obviously here you can also activate it and deactivate it, but here you can set some rules, so just click on turn on automatically and pick either 5 or 15% of the battery. So let me pick 15, and from now on every time your battery is lower than 15%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. So this is it, so you can smoothly, quickly and easily activate power saving mode on your device. If you would like to activate low power solution even quicker, just slide down the upper bar and now locate the battery saver icon, click on it, and now it's active. Then you can deactivate it the same way, just by tapping. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.